Hey Wendy, this is Larry Turnbow from Fortune SEO Marketing. I spoke with TD there yesterday, and I was telling her that I'm in the business of working with roofing companies. I help them get more clients, more customers, and more leads online. I asked her if that was something you guys might be interested in, and she said absolutely. So she gave me the go ahead to send this short video over to you guys and just show you a few tips and tricks of what you can do to get ranked higher in Google and get a bigger slice of the pie of the hundreds of people that are searching for roofing services in Boise, Idaho every month. And I'll show you that in a little bit. So, I've worked with a lot of small businesses up to this point, and I know that, uh, you wear many hats and you probably don't have the time to focus exclusively on marketing and ads, and there's a lot of other things that need to be done. So and the only thing stopping you from maybe getting someone to do that for you is you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So this video will be educational, expert level education on digital marketing and how you can get your business in front of more people online and grow organically and get your phone ringing off the hook. So let me just jump right into it. And I'm going to be talking about three things. One is content, two is citations, and then three is backlinks and keywords. So starting off with content, have your website pulled up right here, and it's looking pretty good. You have some good pictures, you have your services, everything laid out, a couple of testimonials. So this is pretty good, and I would say you have some good content. But what you really want to have is 15 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Google uses bots called crawlers, and they are searching this to see how many words you have, and not only how many, but the right keywords. So you have it here, your services. That's really good. But you want to make sure this is 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you also want to have about 500 words on every service page. So that alone will boost you up in their rankings and will allow more people to see your website organically. So number two, we're gonna go to this right here. So I typed in Boise, Idaho roofing companies, right? We scroll down, and right here you have the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business Pack. Now to get here, this is all about citations. That's number one. And citations are your business being listed in directory. So Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, what's some of the other ones? Angie's List, things like that. There are really hundreds of them throughout the internet. And the more you have here, the better. Also, pictures. You want to have a lot of photos. That helps as well. And then just all the information filled in. Your city, phone number, time you open, things like that. And you'll rank higher here because people rarely click view all, so you want to be in that top three. And then third, let's talk about backlinks and and keywords. I'm going to use this company right here, Idaho Roofing Contractors, kind of as your competition that I'll compare and contrast you to, because they are at the top right here of the map pack, and they're at the top of the organic search. So they're pretty much dominating the market right now for roofing companies in Boise as far as their outreach online. And I'll show you how you can take that number one spot from them. So let's go. This is a tool that we use at Fortune called Ahrefs, and it's basically giving you all of the backend data through Google on your website and who's searching how many people are seeing your site and what they're finding it from, right? So in here, the UR is pretty low, and then DR, which is domain rating. This is how much of an authority Google considers you to be, and it's 0.5 is pretty low, and this is determined by backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that if someone clicked on it, it will take you or take them to your site. So you want to have a lot of backlinks, and you also want to have a lot of quality backlinks, right? Not all of them are created equal. A lot of backlinks can be spam, and you want them to be from an authoritative site, a well-known site, and it'll drive more traffic to your site. Google will give you this higher DR rating, and again, they'll drive you higher up the list of the organic searches. Now let me pull up the competition really quick and show you something on their site. So Roofing Idaho Contractors. And as you can see, okay, it's loading up. Give it 1 second here. Oh, the pictures are loading. But as you can see, as far as content and as far as words, they really don't have that much on here. They're not you know, they don't have it set up with a lot of content. So I mean, you just having the 1,500 to 2,000 words, that alone is will boost you high up. And then let's look at them in Ahrefs. I have them pulled up as well. A much higher UR rating, a much higher DR. Ideally, you want these to be 1-to-1. So their ratio isn't that great, but you know they're still ranking pretty high. They have 430 backlinks. Sounds like a lot, but for the number that they have, you would expect the DR rating to be higher. And then you know they're touching on 139 keywords, and they're getting about 250 visitors to their site every month. In your case, it's only 10. So basically, they're dominating the organic search for Google in Boise, but they're not doing anything special. They don't have quality backlinks. If these were all quality, this rating would be much higher. They have a decent amount of organic keywords. You know, we could get those up for you. And then as far as backlinks, we would basically just go through their backlinks, find which ones were the good ones, add them to your site, and then add about 100 more, because we're not trying to match them. We're trying to blow them out of the water. So, I mean, this number right here of 10 organic traffic could be, you know, 205, if not more, right? And you don't have to close all 200 of these people coming to your site, even if it was just a fraction of that, even if it was just, you know, 10% of that, that would be an extra 10 customers per month. You know, and in your business, roofing services, what would an extra 10 customers a month that you close do for your bottom line and do for your revenue, right? That could be a huge difference. So, you know, the company that's pretty much sitting number one, they're not doing anything special, and with the right plan, you could be ahead of them, and that traffic could be yours. So, just in closing, and to wrap it all up, number one is content. You want more words on your page, and ideally with the right keywords. Number two is citations. You want to be in those directories so you can pop up here at the top of the Google Map Pack. And then number three, you want quality backlinks that drive your domain rating up higher. And then all three of those things will boost you to the number one spot. And I really can't stress this enough. They're in the number one spot and they're not doing anything special. So that means with the right attack plan, you know, that could be you getting all of that traffic. So this was free education for you, and I hope that you found some value from this. I hope it wasn't too confusing. Sometimes the stuff can get you know, a little mind-boggling if you're not used to looking at it every day. I understand, but yeah. In conclusion, these are three things you can do: content, citations, and proper backlinks. This could get you to the top in Boise. This can get you a lot more customers every month and get your phone ringing off the hook. So you know, all I ask for is just a little bit of feedback on this video. I'll follow up with you in a few days. But I hope you have a good day, and I hope you got some value from this video. So take care.